Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tarikaremba. Thank you so much for tuning in again today. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, so today we are doing things a little bit differently because of course I always get questions about how I manage to keep my skin looking good even though I wear makeup all the time. So I decided to put together a little skincare routine, but of course I'm not an esthetician or any professional or anything like that, so you know, take what I say with a pinch of salt. But yeah, ultimately this is the routine that I follow. Of course it is an affordable routine. Yeah, I hope you guys find this useful, and yeah, basically this is how I take my makeup off, and of course, you know, just take care of my skin a little bit. Yeah, I guess some background information that might be useful is that I have combination skin. Secondly, my biggest skincare issues are texture. I have a lot of texture in here, and of course hyperpigmentation all over my face, and sometimes I get breakouts. Like right now I have a pimple here and here and here. Actually, I have 3 pimples. I don't know. Anyway, if there's anything else, we'll probably see it. But yeah, let's get into it. So of course the first step is to take off my lashes, y'all. Like, woo. I usually just rip it from one end to the other. Yeah. Nothing fancy. And then of course I like to just put my rubber band thing. What is this? What can I call this? Elastic band. Yeah, the same one that I use to lay my hair. So yeah, I only followed this step on days when I'm not taking off my wig. So today I'm not taking my wig off, and that's why I needed to just protect this area here. So as you can see, it's just right under here, so I'm putting it just slightly in front so that I can still do my thing without necessarily like taking it off. So step 1 is wipes. I don't know if you can see. Wow, okay, that's better, because of course I am doing my skincare routine at night. I'm using artificial lighting, so yeah, we're just gonna do what we can with what we have. Anyway, so yeah, these are the wipes that I'm using, and these are from Nivea. Okay, so of course I'm just gonna use this to, you know, wipe all over my face. Ooh, I could take my mask off. Remember that song by, I think it was Future, and it was mask off, mask off. But I'm obviously not gonna put it here because I don't want to be copyrighted. But yeah. Whew. And look at that. Yo, it really gets it, hey. It really gets the makeup off, which I like. And they actually smell kind of nice too, which is lovely. So I'm just gonna go in with another wipe just to make sure I've gotten a lot of that off. Okay, cool. So now that I have taken off the makeup using the wipes, I'm now going to oil cleanse. Some people just oil cleanse straight away, but I really like the process of being able to remove some of the makeup using wipes first, so that's what I do. Anyway, I'm going to oil cleanse with coconut oil, just, you know, normal coconut oil. Yo guys, this lighting situation is the ghetto. I really need to figure this out. Maybe if I had a 3-point lighting system, I wouldn't have this problem. Anyway, my birthday is coming up. If you want to gift me my lighting, I'm gonna leave a link down below. Anyway, yeah, so as you can see, it's just like from Pick n Pay. Nothing fancy. So I'm just gonna put a fair amount on my hand. Nothing hectic. And then of course I'm gonna rub it in my hands so I can like heat it up and melt it, because as you can see it is still like in a bit of a chunk. Ooh, child. And then So yeah, as you can see, that has helped me to take off the excess makeup that was left. So yeah, just gonna make sure I get it in every single little corner. So yeah, I'm gonna take my wipes and just like wipe it off. See, what I like about oil cleansing is that it shows you that actually your face was still dirty. So yeah, as you can see, look guys, this lighting is just killing everything. Can you see that? Okay, you can see it when I do this. So can you see that even though my face was looking clean, it wasn't. I still had hella makeup on, and that's what I like about oil cleansing. It really just gets in there and takes everything out. Okay, so next we are going to cleanse using a gel cleanser. I usually go in with one of 2 products. I like to use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I've been using this for like 2 months now and my skin's really good. And the other one that I use is the Essentials by Artistry. I'd actually run out of this and I got some delivered today, so I'm pretty excited to be getting back to my use. So I think I'm gonna go in with this today. So firstly, I'm just gonna wet my hands. I have a bowl of water in front of me because I don't have an aesthetically pleasing bathroom, so of course I was not gonna go to the bathroom for this. So I'm just gonna wet my face so that I can cleanse. So this is the cleanser that I'm going with, and yeah, be generous enough to cover all areas that you need to. Oh, I love this so much. I love the smell. So this cleanser is from Amway. I think I forgot to mention that. This is from Amway, and I'm gonna leave a link down below to all the products that I've mentioned. Yeah. So yeah, make sure to get it everywhere. I think I should take this off because it's gonna get dirty. I don't know. But also, I don't want to be like naked. Anyway, yeah. So yeah, make sure that you leave your product on for 60 seconds so it can get in there. An esthetician called La Beautyologist, I think on Twitter, is always giving skincare advice, and she always says keep each product on for 60 seconds before you wash it off. I'll leave a link down below to her Twitter in case you want to check out the tips that she gives. Okay, so once my 60 seconds is up, I'm just going to take a face cloth and dip it in my water, and of course use that to rinse my face, since I'm trying to do this from here and not the bathroom. I'm sure you get the gist of things. So yeah, I'm just gonna wipe. Oh, I had forgotten to take off my earrings. Oh my gosh. Wow, guys. Okay. Anyway, let me finish what I started. Okay, cool. So as you guys can see, my skin's actually already looking really good, and I love that for myself. I actually can't stop looking at myself in the thing because my skin actually looks really good. Anyway, the next step is exfoliating, and I'm gonna go in with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Smoothing Gel Exfoliator. Oh. I really like to get in here a lot because this is where my texture is. So yeah. So again, we're leaving it on for 60 seconds. You know the drill. Okay, so I've changed my water, and now I'm gonna go in again with my towel. Doing my skincare routine like this is so awkward, but anyway, so my next step is again is a mask. This is a purifying mask, and I use this simply because it helps to detox my skin. So yeah, this is also from Amway, and it is the Signature Select Purifying Mask, sweetie. So this is what it looks like. Anyway, this is what the purifying mask looks like. I know you guys can't see it because of this lighting. Oh, the ghetto. This is why I like to film with natural light. I'm still getting the hold of this whole artificial light thing. But anyway, it is yellow. So I'm just going to take a foundation brush to apply it onto my face after I find a mirror. Okay, so now I've got the mask on, and it says I should keep it on for 7 minutes. So yeah, I guess we're gonna keep it on for 7 minutes or 10. We'll see where life takes us. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this on. Oh yeah, it's been about 10 minutes. I'm not gonna wipe my mask off. This time I'm really taking the mask off. Wow. Okay, so the next step is to go in with my lip scrub, and I've been using the Bumblebee lip scrub, available locally in Port Elizabeth. I'll leave a link down below to where you can find it. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. Oh, you can't see it well, guys. So yeah, I just take a little bit and just rub it. And then of course the last step is to moisturize. So I actually have 3 moisturizers that I use. Don't judge me, okay? So first I go in with the Amway Artistry Nourishing Cream Gel Cream. So I go in with that moisturizer, and then I go in with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost, and of course the GOAT, the Nivea Rich Nourishing Lotion. So I'm starting with this one. It smells so good. This is the Amway one. Oh, so good. And don't forget your neck. Love it. Okay, next we're going in with the Neutrogena on top of that. And then of course we're gonna seal it all in and close it out with the Nivea lotion. This is just like a nice little lotion cocktail. And I genuinely love that for myself. So yeah. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is how I get unready after a day of filming, after a day of makeup. And yeah, I feel like this is a very easy to follow 6-step, or you could say 7-step routine. And it's also very budget friendly because let's be honest, skincare is expensive. Okay, skincare is expensive. So yeah, honestly, I've just been building my little skincare routine with time. Literally sometimes a product at a time, sometimes multiple products at a time, depending on, you know, the way my pocket is set up. But yeah, basically this is my current on a budget skincare routine, and as you can see, it actually helps me to keep my skin looking good despite the fact that I wear makeup every single day. So I hope you found this video useful, and yeah, I will leave the link down below to all the products that I've used in this video. And yeah, of course, with time I will be upgrading my routine and incorporating a few more things. Like I definitely want to start using like hyaluronic acid, BHA, CHAs, whatever they're called, but all these different acids that are really good for like your skin, clearing hyperpigmentation and all the other things that I'm concerned about with my skin. So yeah, we'll get there one day, but for now, this is what we're doing. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you found this useful. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. I will catch you in my next video.